Hello Year 7, I hope you're all well. In today's lesson, we are going to be looking at what a miracle is and what kind of miracles did Jesus perform. Your LO for this lesson is you will be able to explain what a miracle is and an example of a miracle that Jesus performed. Specifically, we're going to be looking at a nature miracle. So Year 7, your first task of this lesson is to either use a dictionary or a Google search to define what a miracle is. So you're obviously going to be looking at the definition of the miracle, and I want you to put that definition in your own words. You've got a sentence starter in red to help you. Master task. Now if you really want to push yourself and aim to do higher, I want you to think about whether an atheist would accept the definition of miracles. And I want you to explain that answer. The miracle that we are going to be looking at today is Jesus feeding the 5,000. Okay? What I want you to do before we watch the video is draw around your hand. So I want you to put your hand on a piece of paper and draw the outline of your hand. On each finger of your hand, you are going to write down something that you have learnt from the video. So that you should have 5 pieces of information by the end of the video. In the palm of your hand, as you can see from the arrow, what you're going to write down is the message of the miracle. What do you think the miracle is showing you about the characteristics of Jesus? And you've got a sentence starter there to help you. Once you have done that, guys, and mastered students, I want you to think about whether this miracle really happened. Do you think that it really did happen, or do you think that it's made up to show the power of Jesus? I really want you to think about that and explain your answer for me. The link for this video is hyperlinked on that picture that you can see. If you cannot access that, I want you to follow the link on class charts of the YouTube video for me, please. Once you have looked at the video and completed those tasks, I want you to use the template provided on class charts to design your own front page of a newspaper. You can either do this using the template that I have provided you, or you can do it on your very own piece of paper. You can fill in all of the parts of the newspaper for me, please. You must include a title, a headline, and an interview with someone who has witnessed what has happened. Remember, the big story is the miracle. You must explain what happened to your readers about the miracle. Master task. You must include an interview with someone who doesn't think this was a miracle. This is the task that you are going to be uploading on class charts. Please take a picture of your newspaper article and upload it on class charts for your teacher to mark. Your last activity of the lesson is your plenary, and your plenary is called Draw It. You can either complete this task on a whiteboard or you can complete it on a piece of paper. What you're going to do is you're going to be timing yourself 3 minutes, and you're going to draw a picture to represent the miracle of feeding the 5,000. Now for me, I think the loaves of bread and the fish and the basket was an integral part of the miracle. So I think that's really important, which is why I've included a picture of that in this PowerPoint for you. Thank you very much, Year 7.